All right, guys, just want to run you through the new home screen with some of the new features here. As you can see, still got your job site, looks the same, got your snapshots from your job site camera here. But what's new is this new gallery, and this is the user picture gallery. Say you have a camera roll full of pictures that a subcontractor sent you on your phone or on your hard drive on your computer, or maybe the client sent you pictures. Instead of them just living on your phone or your hard drive, you can actually upload them here. So click into the user gallery and you can use the upload new image right there. And we'll just pick this one for the heck of it. And you'll see that'll bring us up our new image that we uploaded right there. All right, these are all the user pictures that you can upload. So let them kind of be centralized, specific to your job site. They'll store on the cloud. They don't have to take up memory on your hard drive or on your phone. And it just helps you stay better organized. And you can see the upload date here just below. And then there's actually a comments section if you added any comments to said picture. So let's click into this picture here. And right here you can see where you can add comments. So we'll add a comment. And we'll just put something like install area. That way anyone with access to this gallery can actually see your notes, and they will list down here in chronological order. So let's just add another comment just for test purposes. So you can see right there, it gives us newest comment first. All right, what's cool is you can actually click on the picture itself and it brings up this toolbar. You got your arrow, eraser, different shapes you can build. So say we wanted to highlight this square area here. Probably best tool would be the square for that. You can resize it, move it in that area. You can also do a circle. We'll just circle the air duct there. And you can actually highlight a section as well. So we'll click that little highlighter tool and you can resize this and put that in our little square area where we want to show where we're going to install. You can draw lines, arrows. Here we got this arrow. We'll put just like this, point to our highlighted area. And you can also add text as well. So with our text, double click there, we'll put install here. Make sure you hit the check mark, and there's our install here. Put that by the arrow so that whoever we're sharing this with knows that's our little install area. We have our comments. If we want to save that, we just click this little check mark and it saves. If we wanted to erase everything we just did, we can hit that X. You can also delete this picture altogether with the little delete button down here. So we'll go ahead and save that. So it's saved to our gallery. Now something else is the download button right here. If you want to download this to your phone or hard drive, this individual picture, you just click that. You can see it downloads right to our device. Now say we wanted to share this gallery with somebody. There's a little share button right here. Click that. That gives us the link, which we can copy and paste. So say you just wanted to text that to somebody, you're on your phone, you can copy and paste that and send it to them. You can also hit email right there and it'll actually bring up your email window with Gmail or Outlook, whatever you typically use. And you can send that picture gallery to a subcontractor, client, one of your PMs, whoever you want to share that with. You can also filter by date, filter by comments, so like keywords. So if we were to put area here, anywhere that has the word area in the comments, it filters it out just like so. Everything else on your homepage is still going to be the same. So you can see here your site cam pictures, that the snapshots every half hour or so that take on your job site, those will still look the same. You can still refresh live real-time pictures. You can still pull up the galleries. We will click into, let's just look into this one here. Say this was on site for a long time, there'd be a lot more pictures, but chronologically this one will always be your newest, and you can check that by the timestamp here. You can also click into it to get a larger view. Just like in the user gallery, you can click here to download that directly to your device. And something else we've added is this clone button. So if you were to hit that, see it says clone successful. We go back to our job site and we click into the user gallery. It actually cloned that picture over to the user gallery, where then we can add comments, go ahead and mark it up if we'd like, and share that with, you know, whoever we want to share it with. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of an overview. Continue watching some of our videos. We'll go a little more in depth, but hopefully this will be a good tool to help you guys manage your job sites.